Hello, welcome. Today we are going to cover this paper, School-Based Assessment, Integrated Science, the Kenya National Examination Council, paper that was done in October, that is this month, by grade 8 for the purpose of assessment. We are going to start with the first question. I hope this paper will be helpful for the candidate and any other student tuned in. The picture below, the picture shows a bottle containing medicine. You can see the picture of a bottle containing medicine. From the label on the bottle, identify two elements that are present in the medicine. Two elements. So you can see we have compounds indicated. We have calcium carbonate, we have sodium alginate, we have sodium bicarbonate. So the element present, just some that are clearly visible from the names. We have calcium, we have sodium, we have carbon, we have oxygen, we have hydrogen. So those are the elements. B, write the chemical symbol of one of the element identified in A above. We have identified very many. You can see if you can easily identify two, you can identify two, but you are going to identify only two elements and not 5 as I have done. Write the chemical symbol of one of the elements identified in A above. We have calcium, that is, calcium is capital C, small a. We have sodium, capital N, small a for natrium. We have carbon, capital C. We have oxygen, capital O. We have hydrogen, just capital H. So by just writing two of those, one of those gives you a mark. See, one of the substances found in medicine is calcium carbonate. Indicate by ticking in the table below whether calcium carbonate is an atom, a molecule, or a compound. Calcium carbonate contain more than one element, so it is a compound. 2. The picture below are taken by runners during a visual art class. You can see the pictures taken by the foreigners. We have rusted nails, we have broken bottle, we have stretched wrapper, we have stretched wrapper, we have sharpened pencil. The integrated science teacher used the picture to explain physical and chemical changes in substances. Identify runner whose picture was used to explain chemical change. We have runner 1, this one is chemical. Runner 2, you can see it is physical. 3, physical, stretching. Then 4, sharpening, again physical. So we have runner 1. Runner 1 gives you a mark. State 2 reasons for your answer in question 2A. Why runner 1? Why runner 1? New substance is formed. then the change is not reversible. Change is irreversible. 3. Classes of fire are categorized depending on the type of materials and the fuel for burning. Runners identified some materials in the environment and grouped them into classes of fire as shown in the table below. We have class A, class B, paper, wood, plastics, and B we have paraffin, petrol, paraffin, oil paint, petrol. Identify what the runners considered in grouping the materials into 2. You can see class 1 we have solids, class B we have liquids. Type of materials. So type of materials in class A are solids, while class B are flammable materials. Liquids, sorry, not materials. Liquids. Give a reason why water would be suitable for in controlling class A fire. Why water would be suitable? Water removes, water reduces. Reduces heat from fire. Good. C. Identify one way of putting off class B. One way of putting off class B. You can cover with sand. Cover with sand. You can cover with leaves or twigs or even fire blanket. 4. A cell is a basic unit of life. Cells have components which can be seen under light microscope. Name one component found in a plant cell and not in an animal cell. I'll go for the direct one, chloroplast and cell wall. Those two are not found in animal cell. They are only found in plant cell. In an investigation, the total magnification of an image of a cell was found to be 200 times, when the magnification of objective lens of the microscope was 20. Work out the magnification of eyepiece lens of the microscope. Okay, so total magnification is equal to eyepiece is equal to eyepiece magnification times objective lens. Objective lens magnification. So with that, we can get this is 200 is equal to this one is not known. The eyepiece is not known. Objective lens is 20. And I want x. So I'll divide by 20. I'll divide the other side by 20. And I remain with my x being equal to times 110. 5. A runner seated at the back of classroom applied a perfume. Soon after, the smell of perfume had spread throughout the classroom. One of the runners said the smell is spread by the process of osmosis. Do you agree that the smell spread by the process of osmosis? We have a perfume. One runner is applying perfume at the corner of the classroom. The perfume are particles. They are not water molecules. So we rule out osmosis. Do you agree that the smell spread by the process of osmosis? The answer is no. Explain your answer in A above. In osmosis, water molecules are involved. And a semi-permeable membrane. Then we may say that it was diffusion, and then we can explain what diffusion is. Movement of particles from low, not from low, but from highly concentrated region to low concentrated region. For that case, no semi-permeable membrane is involved. 6. Sexually transmitted infections, STIs, show different signs and symptoms in human beings. The chart below shows signs and symptoms of various STI. Draw lines to link the signs and symptoms that are only specific to apps. One line has been drawn. Swollen glands. We have rashes on the face for herpes. We have blisters in the private part, and we have itching in private part. Those are the 3 that are rigged, each a mark. Each one mark. Move on. 7. The picture below. The picture shows a tractor plowing a farm. The tractor has a wide tires that help it move on the soil without getting stuck. The tractor goes up and down the hill to plow the whole farm. As it moves, energy changes from stored energy, that is potential energy, to moving energy, that is kinetic energy, and back again. But using tractor to plow farms in Kenya is not good for the environment. Use the information and the picture. So when you want to use the information and the picture, it is going to read well the script, read the script well, understand it, and then look at the picture and observe what is happening. You can see something is happening. The plow is doing the work. I can see smoke, a lot of smoke being produced by the plow. Hope you can see it. Let's move to our questions. Use the following ones to complete the sentence below. The tires of the tractor are wide to increase the area. If they are wide, the area is big, so as to reduce the if area is big, pressure is reduced, so as to reduce the pressure. with the force remaining constant. Good, that's all. B. Complete the table below to show the form of energy gained by the tractor as it moves up and down the hill on the farm. Movement of the tractor, form of energy gained by the tractor. Tractor moves down the hill, the tractor gains kinetic energy because it is moving at high speed, assuming that. Then the tractor moves up the hill, it gains potential energy. C. State a reason why the use of tractor in Kenya is not good for the environment. Why is it not good for the environment? I've told you that smoke is being released, so it releases smoke or fumes. You can call them fumes. Smoke or fumes which pollute air, or environment. Air is part of the environment. That's the end. This is the last printed page. I hope you enjoyed. If you have enjoyed this paper, kindly remember to subscribe to this channel for more questions and answers. Then, online classroom are ongoing. To register, you can contact 0713 366 225. Register. Classes will start from 5th November 2025. Thank you.